Yep, we got some corn. Oh yeah. So there we go. So what you got to do, you got to look at what you got. So we had rotisserie chicken, sweet corn, onion, black beans, diced tomatoes. We're gonna see what kind of magic we can make with all that right there. Stay tuned.
Don Durgandy, and this is the most important story of the day. They say it's a skillet, but I'm telling you, it's a culinary legend. It's the Bubba Skillet, and it's kind of a big deal.
We're gonna fire up that Bubba Skillet. So we're gonna let that baby start to get warm. I hope you had a good day. This is just kind of winging it on a weeknight. And again, I took some of that shredded chicken and just basically by hand. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, you just want to get it in, you know, small pieces like that. You know, so that way it'll all congeal together. We have those black beans, diced tomatoes, and then I'm going to add these two seasonings. I'm going to add some Tony's and garlic powder. That's really it. Because, I mean, we're going with that Southwest vibe. Oh, you didn't hear that sizzle. That's why you always preheat your pan, folks. In the meantime, I'm gonna let this heat up, and let's hear a word from our sponsor.
Who would have thought cooking in zero gravity would be so fun? I'm glad I brought my Bubba Skillet along for the voyage.
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the commercial from Bubba Skillet. So now, we got Harry joining the party. Hello guys, I'm helping Mr. Heath out tonight. So, we're gonna lean in so we can hear this sizzle. Can you hear it? Oh yeah. So we get some of that onion going. And I did forget to put some oil in there. So it's not too late. Drop a little oil in there. Like a soap. A lot of times when I'm coming up with this stuff, my son, he kind of labeled it like, and you know, I don't know about you, for me, I don't like cooking per se. Like, I don't like following recipes. Let me say that. There's a difference in cooking and baking. And baking is a science. If you don't do something right, your cake falls apart. But when you cook, you get to be creative. So like, I like to look into the, you know, see what leftover stuff that we have and just make something. So my son kind of labeled, hey dad, are you making a creation? So that was pretty funny, calling it a creation. We're gonna add a little bit more onion in here. It's starting to smell nice. Now that we added that, we're gonna go ahead and drop that chicken in there. And just keep in mind, chicken's already heated up. So we don't have to do a lot with that. So the idea is, this kind of got a Southwest feel to it. So now I'm going to add some of that garlic powder. Put some garlic powder on that, baby. We're going to put some Tony's. I'm just a fan of Tony's. I have been for a long time. It's really good. It's got a little heat to it. And if you don't want to use Tony's, or you got to cut back on the salt, that's fine. You can use like a regular seasoned salt or whatever salt that you like. So now we'll put in some of this corn. Oh, I got a tiny hole. Tiny hole. Should have got my knife. There we go. Now we're cooking. We're cooking with Crisco. Well, not really. Cooking with that canola oil.
Any city or any town, my Bubba Skillet is the ultimate showstopper. Makes you hungry, don't it?
We got that frozen corn in here. And be careful, pan's getting hot. Where's my little glove? My little fancy oven mitt here. I'm about to spin her around just a hair. Hope I don't block your view too bad. But yeah, these are the gloves. We needed some more oven mitts. So I told my wife, I was like, I'm gonna get us some oven mitts. And I know how she is with pink. Because we have this like, my best friend's daughter, she got us these Paris Hilton knives. So they're pink. So I had to match the decor. But you can get whatever color you want. I mean, it's in the description. And yes, I get a commission if you buy it, and it would help me out, you know, and then maybe I can buy my own pair of red ones. So, I mean, if you want to do that for me, that'd be awesome. But anyway, oops. So right now we just have the chicken, the onions, and that corn. It's kind of all hanging out together. We're trying to make a little, it's like a family reunion going on in here. And so I'm not going to add the diced tomatoes or the beans yet because obviously the corn was frozen. But it's not going to take long. If you could only smell this. Oh, there I go. Dive her down. Let's get her. And meanwhile, while I'm doing this, me and Harry, we're hanging out. And I'm kind of pressing into the chicken, kind of breaking it up so it's kind of loosening it in. So this is going to be a really good meal because it's got protein in it from the chicken. And then it's going to have even more protein when we add the beans, which we're going to go ahead and do. I think the corn is ready. Yeah. It's already tasting good. All right, so we're going to add the beans. All them beans in there. Let Harry give her a little drum. Wait, come on, Harry, get that chicken beard off. Yeah! Oh, that's gonna make a mess. Wait, all them beans out. I'm gonna set this on top of that so we don't make too much of a mess. Now diced tomato time. So I got my little large pot holder there. There we go. Use that. So we're gonna give all this a stir. Now you can see everything's starting to kind of chill out. I mean, if you think about the basic principles of this meal, you have your protein, which you have your chicken, and now we added in the beans. Just look at that. This right here, I mean, and you've got the vitamin A that's coming from the tomatoes. You have the onions that are just gonna pull out all these flavors. And this is like a Southwest flair. You know, that chicken and that Tony's is all just gonna hang out together. And just marinate in there together. This isn't gonna take too long because everything was already cooked. I mean, other than the corn was the only thing that was cold. So we got that out of the freezer. Let's see. Starting to get there. So while we're waiting, let me go ahead and clean up a little bit after myself. Let's give her a little wipe down while we're waiting. So it don't look like I'm living in a garbage can over here. Because I know people are going to comment and be like, look at all that crust on the counter, it's not sanitary. All these flavors are incorporating in there. See if I can find a big enough lid. I don't know if I have one. This feller here, simmer down now. See here. No. See here. No. Goodness. Why do I have to get the biggest pan? No lid. No lid, no service. Oh, here we go. Yes. So now we have all this stuff together. And me and Harry, we're gonna let this cool down. And the great thing is about cast iron is, what we can do, we're gonna go ahead and cut that heat off. Got everything together. You see all that? All those flavors are just gonna hang out together. Like at a Super Bowl party. So then I'm just gonna put the lid on, just kind of let that all just hang out together. And this is Heath Haley from East Texas Duct Tape. I thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.